a 4x8 sheet of plywood. We cut it into the shape of a circle. We took sandpaper around the edges so that it's more smooth. And right here, we made a hole so that the leaf blower can fit in the plywood. And we put duct tape so that it's more vacuum sealed. And now we're getting ready to make our decoration. And we're using spray paint and duct tape.
Okay, so we just painted our plywood pink, and now we're about to add white polka dots and Hello Kitty duct tape.
Conventional motor oil and an STP oil filter. Plus, get all the trusted advice you need to do the job right. Stretch your dollars further. Get in the zone. Our biscuits are made from scratch, but not made from scratch like that cabinet with instructions.
Now we're getting ready to add our tarp to the bottom of the hovercraft. We decided to go with the tarp. We thought it would be more durable than a shower curtain, and we thought it would hold the air in better. And also, we're going to add pipe insulators around the edges of the hovercraft, and it would act as a bumper when riding it.
Okay, now that we have our tarp underneath our hovercraft, I'm going to go around and staple the tarp to our hovercraft so that it's secure enough.
Is it going through?
So now that we have our tarp stapled to our hovercraft, we're going to cut the excess tarp off and then take duct tape around the edges so that the air stays in the hovercraft better.
We're using pipe insulators around the hovercraft to use as a bumper, and we're using duct tape around the edge of the tarp so no